but today I'm going contest is going to happen. Very, very soon. And if you hear some noises that are very, very loud, that noise is from a fighter plane. Yeah, I'm not lying at all. That noise is going to be from a fighter plane. Smoke. Dude. 67 days. 6 7 Number 57 is 67 days. Nice. Oh my. Ryan, you. Number 67%. The number 67% undisputed was little bird each 67 days. What is it? Strawberry elephant, blueberry octopus in Mateo. Lapalini to the top, cappuccino,
When will I become a billionaire? Okay, let's do this. Hopefully soon. I would like that. I'm actually down, guys.
This video is going to be copyrighted.
Leave a like. 1 like equals $1 I earn. So leave a. Why isn't it going in the hole? Go in the freaking hole. 2042, bro. I'm gonna be like 50. What are we doing? Nah. Come on, good. Get down there. It's a tiny hole, but you know it can fit. It can fit that. Come on. What are we doing? 2066, 2067. 2067, bro. Are we still gonna be talking about 6'7" and 2067? Do you think? Is that gonna be a trend? Okay, this is bad. Please get in the hole. What are we doing? How is it not fitting in there? Come on, bro. Slide in there. Slide in there perfectly. Come on, that should slide in. What is happening? 21. I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna be dead. Just tell me. Just say, hey, you're not gonna be a billionaire. What? Get in there. Okay, I should probably stop yelling that, dude. There's people in my house and I'm yelling, get in that hole. Okay. How is it not going in the freaking hole, though? Okay, leave a like and subscribe and it'll go in the hole. It's just flopping around, dude. Okay, did it get stuck there? Okay, good. Oh my god, I thought it got stuck. I literally glitched the filter. Get in the freaking hole, you stupid. It's 2181, bro. Okay. There we,
We're going to.
there we go. Good job. Perfect. Well, 22-17. Lovely. I'll be 200. When will I become a billion?
Okay, listen. We are bringing back the Backrooms trend. If you're hearing this right now, use this audio. Green screen it, animate it. Make a POV, a rant, literally anything. Just post it. Back in 2022, we had Backrooms found footage. People trying to no-clip in real life. And now it's all gone. Replaced by brain rot memes and 6-7 memes.
Yeah.
So let's revive it. Make a short using this sound. Scary, funny, cursed, edits. Doesn't matter. Just use it and spread it. If you're in, comment, I'm no-clipping. Let's see if the internet can actually bring a trend back. Green screen, kids. This is your moment. Okay, listen. We are bringing back the Backrooms trend. If you're hearing this right now, use this audio. Green screen it, animate it. Make a POV, a rant, literally anything.
Just because your name is Amira doesn't mean your signature has to be nasty.
I don't choose green screen. And I don't even know how to use them. What? Why would someone do that? What?
GU.
Bro, why does this baker get everything? For real, why is this always this damn bacon that get off? For real. Look. Bacon is everything. Why did he? What is this? Look. 25 YouTube reset. 25 What? I guess. Let me change it. 52 times. That's crazy, bro. I was 14 maybe last night. I wasn't lost. I'm not using all of this, bro. Oh, I will start this game. I am watching Mr. Beast. I watch a little bit of him now. And he works for my dad was the selfie. My dad. My dad is focused on Donald, but sport is dancing. Yeah, this is true. Okay. Take the book, please. And yep. That's it. Bye bye, guys.